Hello my dear students, welcome again in my channel. Let's study with Madam Sir. Students, in our complete series of English grammar, today we are going to read some important collective nouns. Students, here there are 50 collective nouns with Hindi meaning. So come on here, let's read one by one. Number 1, a crowd of people means a group of people. And what is the meaning of it? लोगों का झुंड. Number 2, a herd of cattle. पशुओं का झुंड. A group of students. छात्रों का समूह. A cluster of stars. तारों का झुंड. A gang of robbers. डाकुओं का समूह. Student, here crowd, herd, group, cluster and gang. They are collective noun and they are used for particular noun. For example, crowd is used for people, herd is used for cattle, group is used for a student, cluster is used for stars, gang is used for robbers. Now next one, a nest of ants. Here student, nest is the collective noun, चींटियों का झुंड. A swarm of ants. Again, swarm is collective noun, चींटियों का झुंड. A drove of cattle, पशुओं का समुदाय. A series of events, घटनाओं का क्रम. A bundle of cloth, कपड़ों का गांठ. A flock of birds, चिड़ियों का झुंड. A troop of dancers, नर्तकों की मंडली. A band of musicians, संगीतज्ञों की मंडली. So student, here what is collective noun? Nest is collective noun, swarm is collective noun, drove is collective noun, series is collective noun, bundle is collective noun, flock is collective noun, troop is collective noun, band is collective noun. And they are used with particular noun. Nest, for nest, ant is noun here. For swarm, again ant. For cattle, drove is the collective noun. For series, event is noun. For bundle, cloth is noun here. Flock, birds, troop, dancer and band, musician. So for particular collective noun, some particular common nouns are used here. Now next one, students. A jury of judges, न्यायाधीशों का समूह. A troop of children, छात्रों का समूह. A quiver of arrows, तीरों का समूह, तीरों का समूह. A shoot of rooms, कमरों का सेट. A pile of books, किताबों का गट्ठर. A chain of mountains, पर्वतों की श्रेणी. A course of study, अध्ययन का क्रम. Here student, what are the collective noun used? Number 1, jury for judges, troop for children, quiver for arrows, shoot for rooms, pile for books, chain for mountains and course for study. Now next one, student, a volley of shoot, गोलियों की वर्षा. A volley of arrows, तीरों की वर्षा. A volley of missile, शस्त्रों की वर्षा. A volley of stones, पत्थरों की वर्षा. A sheaf of grain, अनाज का गट्ठर. A heap of sand, बालुओं का ढेर. A galaxy of stars, तारों का समूह. So here student, what is the collective noun used here? Volley for shoots, volley for arrows, volley for missiles, volley for stones. Sheaf for grains, heap for sand, galaxy for stars. So here some particular collective nouns are used for particular common nouns. So you have to learn all these collective nouns, students. Now the next one, a fleet of ships, जहाज़ों का बेड़ा, an army of ants, चींटियों का झुंड, a shoal of fish, मछलियों का समूह, a corps of singers, गायकों की मंडली, a stock of cloths, वस्त्रों का समूह, a tuft of grass, घास का गुच्छा, a band of nomad, यायावरों का जत्था. So student, what is the collective noun used here? Fleet for ships, army for ants, shoal for fish, corps for singers, stock for cloths, tuft for grass, and band for nomads. Nomads, Nomads. Nomads spelling is here. Okay, so the next one is students. A lock of hair, बालों की लट, a suit of armor, रक्षा कवचों का सेट, a suit of furniture, फर्नीचर का सेट, a stock of coal, कोयले का संग्रह, a string of onions, प्याज की पंक्तियाँ, a bevy of ladies, नारियों का समूह, a flight of stairs, सीढ़ियों का क्रम, a heap of rubbish, कूड़े कचरे का ढेर. So here student, what are the collective noun used here? Lock for hair, shoot for armor, shoot for furniture, stock for coal, string for onion, bevy for ladies, flight for stairs, and heap for rubbish. So these are the collective noun used for particular common noun. Now the next one is students. A heap for dust, धूलकण का ढेर. A heap for stones, पत्थरों का ढेर. A ray of light, प्रकाश पुंजों का, प्रकाश किरणों का पुंज. A pair of socks, एक जोड़ा मोजा. An army of soldiers, सैनिकों का जत्था. A board of directors, निदेशकों की मंडली. A band of travelers, यात्रियों का समूह. A gust of wind, हवा का एक तेज झोंका. So students, here what are the collective noun used? Heap for dusk, heap for stone, ray for light, pair for shocks, army for soldiers, board for directors, band for travelers, and gust for wind. So these are the collective noun, particular collective noun used with particular common noun. So we have to learn all these collective noun, students. So thank you for watching the video, students. Once again, I will come with other practice set and other video lecture for you. Keep watching my video, like my channel, and subscribe and share it. Thank you once again.